January Zero Waste Month, according to Jenny, it started in the Philippines in 2014 under the Presidential Proclamation number 760 with the late, signed by the late President Aquino. This year, we are proud to say that we are celebrating it globally through the Global Alliance for the Incinerator Alternatives and the Mother Earth Foundation and all other members, including the War on Waste, Zero Waste Cities Project. The theme, Zero Waste for Zero Emission, will tackle sustainably managing waste to mitigate climate, lessen plastic pollution, and stop incineration or burning through different technologies such as pyrolysis, gasification, and waste to energy. January 2023 will also see the formation of the International Zero Waste Cities Network, and they are coming in Manila on the 26th and 27th. They will also do a pledge to reduce methane emission from waste. So what is zero waste? So let's have that definition, but we will tackle that more later. It's the conservation of all resources by means of responsible production, consumption, reuse, and recovery of products, packaging, and materials without burning, and with no discharges to land, water, or air that threaten the environment or human health. That is according to the Zero Waste International Alliance. But what is it exactly in layman's term? Walay usik, walang aksaya, regulation of plastic, banning of single-use plastics, and all other things beyond the reduce, reuse, recycle